Here we go. How to safely install Fortnite on Android now that it's been removed from Google Play. So this is the flip side of the coin. And I covered this in a previous video, but I realized I didn't go into great detail about how exactly, if you're on Android, you're going to do the thing. Because a lot of people are nervous when they hear the letters A, then P, then K. You say APK, people start. You see, they look left, they look right. Just like when you cross the street when you're a kid. And your mom says, you got to look left and right. So you say APK and people do the same thing. They think, is this going to be safe? Which is fair. And truthfully, not all the sources are of APKs are safe. A lot of there could be malicious things going on.
Yeah.
What's that? Go ahead.
Did I tell you the story that my phone almost melted because I downloaded an APK?
What?
Yeah.
You're dropping news like this on the show without clearing it in advance? It's incredible.
Yeah, now that you mention it. It was like a mobile game, and then I guess it was some sort of development version, and it wasn't compatible at all, but somehow it just overheated my phone.
Crazy. Yeah. So that's not necessarily malicious. Maybe it was just some sort of problem. It doesn't matter. The point being is there's a reason why even Google devices sort of ask you if you want to enable the ability to install applications from alternative sources. So there's obviously the piece which is, where's our 30%, first off? And then second, there's the piece of, we don't know what you're going to install. And they're both there and they're both relevant. But I like to have the option, a guy like me and a guy like you.
Yeah.
We like to have the option to do it. Now, there are some safer ways than going to some random APK repository, although we've all done it at times. Desperate times call for desperate measures. We all know. So step one, do you have a Samsung phone? If you have one of these guys right here, Will, that's not the right one. This one. If you have one of these guys right here, see, I got too many phones laying around.
The Note 20.
That's the Note 20 Ultra. Don't forget the Ultra part.
The Ultra, right.
Look at that with the new later case Cyber Edition on it.
Cool.
Go check that out. Latercase.com/Cyber Edition. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I wasn't I wasn't delicate enough. But the case, the case. Anyway, if you have a Samsung phone, which there are many of them out there, all you have to do is head to the Galaxy Store. The app is already there on your phone. If not, put the app back on or re-enable the app. Head to the Galaxy Store and download the Epic Games Launcher. Okay? By the way, shout out 9 to 5 Google for putting it all in here. The Epic Games Launcher is then going to give you the ability to download Fortnite and some other game called Battle Breakers. But you're probably going to go for Fortnite at this moment. It's available for all the flagships, S20, Note 10, Note 20, even the A series. So I don't know if it's going to be on every single Samsung device. Maybe if you go back, some of the older ones, it might not pop up. But at least for the high-profile models, it should be available. There's also a direct link inside of this article if for whatever reason it doesn't show up in the search results. But that's step one. If you have a Samsung phone, this is straightforward and easy. And as much as Google might not like it because they don't get their 30 points, it's a relatively official way of downloading Fortnite and maintaining Fortnite updates, whatever, on Android because you are still in some sort of a store.
Right.
It's one of the advantages on the Android side. Now, if you don't have a Samsung device, which is a whole nother number of people.
Yes.
A lot of people. You're going to need to go the APK route, but you do not have to head to your usual APK mirror type sites. You can go to Epic's official website. So all you got to do on your smartphone or tablet is go to fortnite.com/Android. And from that link, you'll download and install the Epic Games Store APK, which is similar to the thing that you're going to get from the Samsung store that you would download there. And then you know it's from the official source. Then you know you're getting it from Epic. Now, your device will still prompt you. It'll say for your security, your phone is not allowed to install from unknown apps from this source, etc. And that's going to scare some people. But because you know where you got it from, you're going to just click Settings, Enable, and Install. Now, at the end, after you're done, you may want to disable installing from third-party sources in case you're worried about, I don't know, some nefarious activity, some other stuff getting installed. You can disable it after the fact. It's not hard to do. And then you'll have your Epic Games. And then you'll have your Fortnite.
Right.
And Epic Games will be very happy. Google, I don't know. But the beauty of this is they can't really do anything about it.
Yeah.
Well, I guess they could close off the ability to install from other sources, but they're not going to do that anytime soon. It's an important feature for us people over here on Android.
Yes.
I would say. So hopefully that remains open-ended, and you can do this instead of buying a $10,000 iPhone 10 on eBay.
There you go.
If you choose to. Or you can just wait for Apple and Epic to sort it out. Or you can just not care because you don't even want to play Fortnite, which there's plenty of people in that camp as well, which is a thing I've seen in the comment section. They say, I don't even care about Fortnite, so do what you want, Apple. Yeah. They got to see the bigger picture.
Yeah. They want to see the drama, really.
There's more to the story, though.
Yeah.
You know, what I'm trying to say here, Will, is even if you're not a massive Epic fan or even if you're not a gamer, the implications for the whole ecosystem, for the whole app store concept, for the whole technological atmosphere, for the whole mobile phone industry.
Yeah.
It's all in there. So you got to care a little bit. You got to pay attention. It's could affect you in a different way eventually.